pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hi Gems, it's Karen. Welcome back to another video. If you're new, hi. I'm real glad you clicked on this video. Today I have an unboxing for you. It's Fashionsta's The Box. Alright, this is the $25 a month beauty/makeup subscription. Now, I'm not always happy with her. We don't always get along, but we are going to find out today if this month is worth it. Alright. She always comes like this with black swigglies and a card to tell you about the products and their prices. So let's see what we've got here. It's looking like there's quite a bit in here this month. Squigglies. Gotta get rid of the squigglies. Okay. First thing I see, the reusable cotton rounds. We just got something like that in Boxy. I wonder if it's like these. I've been using these for my toner. They're not bad, and they gave you a little case that you could throw them in the washing machine. So let me see if they're similar, considering it's saying reusable. Oh, the Green Company. I love that. Okay. Let me... Oh. Ah! It's the same thing! Look! Haha! But there's so many more in here. Wow! So everybody's going green! Ooh, they are the same thing, just a green on the outside, and they're a little softer, they feel like. There's lots in here. Oh my goodness. All right, let me see what it says here. The Green Company, $13.95. Be a conscious consumer and reduce your daily waste by swapping your makeup remover wipes for these green, eco-friendly, washable, reusable pads, 100% natural and vegan. Wow. All right, cool. Let's dig in and see what else we got. What is this? Cleo Noir? What's Cleo Noir? A 4-shade eyeshadow palette, $32. It says pigmented, blendable, full spectrum, creamy. Let me get my scissors. Rich formula that stays put without the mess and excess fallout. Really? I think I have had an eyeshadow description quite like that for an eyeshadow palette. Reduces fallout. I wonder if fallout is like a major thing with some people. Not with me. Oh, okay. These are definitely neutrals. 2 mattes and 2 shimmers, and they're definitely summer colors. Should we swatch them? Let's see what we've got here. They feel pretty creamy. Amber, can you get her something, please? I'm filming. They do feel pretty creamy. Let's swatch. Oh, wow. Not bad. Not bad at all. And it's nice and compact, so you can take it with you, and it's got a magnetic kind of close to it, so that's neat. Here they are. Not bad. Cool. All right. Let's see what else we got. $32 though? Cleo Noir. Is that a brand you know of? Okay, I see Lipstick and Liner Duo by Bella Pierre Cosmetics. This is a $25 value. It says it's richly pigmented matte lipstick and coordinating lip liner formulated with nourishing ingredients such as sunflower seed oil and jojoba. Cruelty free. I do like it when you get the lip liner that goes with the lipstick. Is anybody else like that? Am I the only one? I mean, I like mixing too, but it's really helpful to have one that goes with the other. At least I think so. Okay, let's open her up, see what she looks like. I do think $25 for this brand is a bit much. What do we... Okay, there's that. The box looks pretty, that color. Oh, I don't think that this is... Okay, wait a minute. Here's the lip liner. Don't tell me this is pink. It's a pink. Okay. Here's the packaging. Oh, wait a minute. A pink liner and a somewhat pink lipstick. I don't know. Do you think that'll work for me? Definitely not going to go with this eyeshadow. No, I'm not. I mean, the lipstick itself seems okay, but it doesn't look as pinky here as it does on my hand. Then again, that's why you swatch them, because you just never know. All right, so let's put that aside. Then we have got what looks like, is this an eyeliner? Ooh, Julep. $12 gel eyeliner. Is this the color? Electric Teal Shimmer. Ooh, that sounds good. Ooh, pull that out. Come on. Come on. I know you want to come out. There we go. Oh, look at that color right there. Oh my goodness, that would be amazing. Here it is. Ooh, oh yeah. Okay, I'm in it for that. And it is a shimmer. It's a gel. It's not too soft. It's perfect. I'm liking that for the waterline. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, I can deal with that. I like that a lot. Okay, let's see. Ready, Set, Jet. Beauty Baton. $32 value. One stick, multiple benefits. It doesn't even tell me what it does. Multitasking. Focused and Fabulous, it says on the top. Okay. Cleanse and Prime. That's not what I was expecting. But okay. Oh, here we are. Look at that. Backwards. Blurring Primer. There's your primer, but you can't see it. Cleanser. Okay, so this I'm guessing you'd add water to. Yeah, so you got a cleanser on one end and a primer on the other. That's different. I wonder how that works. I'm definitely going to try it. Alright, I got one more thing, and it's by Soleil. Ooh, Miracle Protector Spray. It's for your hair. Yes, before you use styling tools, these things are a must. Alright, generously spray 6 inches away from damp or dry hair, comb through, and style with any hot tool. Okay, so let me just see if the sprayer works and if it has a scent. Ooh, very nice scent. Kind of perfumey, but it reminds me of like a perfume my mom, Red Door. That's what it reminds me of. I could be wrong, but it reminds me of that. Okay, well this is cool. Let's see what the value of the box is. $149.95. Do you guys get this box? I'm actually pretty okay with this. I'm quite shocked. I'm loving this idea. Go green, use these pads. Loving that. So we've got a bunch in here. Then we've got the protector spray, which is great because I absolutely love to straighten my hair and I don't want to ruin it. And then we've got the lip liner and lipstick by Belle Pierre. Then we have got the really pretty gel eyeliner in teal. Then we've got the Prime Cleanser Duo. This is a pretty neat box. I'm very interested in seeing how this stuff works. Okay guys, now it's time for your thoughts. Did you get this box? Did you get this? I'm pretty sure everybody gets the same variation. Let me know that down in the comments below, and thank you for joining me for this video. Definitely talk to me guys. I want to hear all your thoughts. I will see you guys really soon in another video. Bye!